creations of Mr. Sanibol Minto. Please welcome our candidates for Ginoo at Binibining Marilao for their swimwear parade. The judges have already spoken, but before we announce the top 5, isang masigabong palakpakan po para sa lahat ng ating mga kandidato at kandidata para sa Ginoo at Binibining Marilao 2026. So all the parents, guardians, friends, hunters, makeup artists, barangay captains, at lahat po ng na narito na sumusuporta sa ating mga kandidato at kandidata. Maraming salamat po. Let me announce the top 5 for our Ginoo. This is in no particular order. Are you ready? Handa na po ba kayo? Let's move on. Let's have our first spot. You secured the first spot. Ginoo. Number 2, Jean Lloyd Mariano.
Sa Marilao, gabi ng pangarap at luha, Ginoo at pinipili, bituin sa entablado, sumiklaw na.
Your journey still continues. Ginoo. Number 3, Sean Marco Nagin.
Gabi ng pangarap at luha, Ginoo at pinipili, bituin sa entablado, sumiklaw na. Ganda't gilas.
The third spot shines on you. Ginoo. Number 8, Nico Taroy.
Gabi ng pangarap at luha, Ginoo at pinipili, bituin sa entablado, sumiklaw na. Ganda't gilas, puso'y ipapakita.
3 spots were pulled, 2 more left. And the 4th spot is yours. Ginoo. Number 9, Christian Gabriel Medina.
Pangarap at luha, Ginoo at pinipili, bituin sa entablado, sumiklaw na. Ganda't gilas, puso'y ipapakita.
And the final spot is yours. Ginoo. Who do you think is our final name to be called? Ginoo. Number 11, Roy Juby Pianello.
Pangarap at luha, Ginoo
Once again, our top 5 finalists for our Ginoo. And of course, sa ating mga kandidato hindi pinalad, magpatuloy nawa ang iyong advokasya para sa ating bayan. Maraming salamat. In behalf of GBM, saludo kaming lahat sa inyo. Maraming salamat. And now, let's proceed to our top 5 Binibinis. The first spot belongs to the first Binibini, Maricar Andrada.
sa Marilao, gabi ng pangarap at luha, Ginoo at pinipili, bituin sa entablado, sumiklaw na. Ganda't gilas, puso'y ipapakita.
The second spot belongs to you, Binibini number 9, Aliyah Trinidad.
Gabi ng pangarap at luha, Ginoo at pinipili, bituin sa entablado, sumiklaw na. Ganda't gilas, puso'y ipapakita.
The third spot shines on you, Binibini number 4, Irish May Caligaya.
Gabi ng pangarap at luha, Ginoo at pinipili, bituin sa entablado, sumiklaw na. Ganda't gilas, puso'y
3 names were pulled and only 2 remain. Our fourth spot. Your journey still continues tonight. Binibini number. Binibini number 7. Cristina Moreno.
pangarap at luha, Ginoo at
Bini number 2, Maria Angela De Leon.
Gabi ng pangarap at luha.
Congratulations sa our top 5 finalists. And for those who were not called, gaya ng sinabi ko, your legacy and advocacy continue. Kasama nyo ang GBM to serve in our community. Saludo kami sa inyong ganda, talento, talino, at of course, sa purpose ninyo sa ating lipunan. Maraming salamat and congratulations. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Municipality of Manilao, our top 5 finalists for Ginoo at Binibining Manilao 2026.